Right? Hey, I'm super excited today to share something with you folks. It's going to be a battery power riveter. I've did a lot of riveting the old manual, handheld manual way before, and I tell you, this thing here is it's just amazing. It's just so smooth in operation. Comes with 2 batteries, real nice charger. It actually charges really nice and fast. The accessories here for different types of rivets you can change out depending on the size of the shaft of the rivet, which you can get multi-packs of rivets, whatever. The ease of operation is just about hands-free. I mean, once you take, if you were to attach 2 pieces of leather, let's say you had to hang something like a piece of pipe or something, or maybe something out camp and you could utilize this. You can use it to attach plastic to plastic, metal to metal, leather to metal. So anyway, it's a universal as far as materials, putting the materials together. And you simply just you drill a hole about the size of the shaft of the rivet, and then you just put the piece together, slide the rivet in, grab the pneumatic rivet gun, and just give it 1 hit of the key. This is a real nice feature. It'll go through the cycle forward and back all by itself. So we're going to attach these 2 pieces of leather, and here we go. And there you have it. It pulled the shank through and mushroomed to the backside. But anyway, it sandwiches them together by making shoulders on each side of the rivet. It's super fast, super strong, quiet. Like I said, just the ease of operation is so much nicer than the old-fashioned pump type manual rivet gun. So there you have it. I'd recommend it highly. It's really a nice quality unit. Also, a feature it has is it'll show the condition or the power supply of the battery. 3 to 4 lights there for, this is 3/4 charged, so you got lots of operation. It comes with a light for any low light areas where you have work to do. It's a real nice bright light. It lights up your work area. And other than that, I'm just really happy with it. Can't wait to use it. And of course, it's available on Amazon.